Hello, thank you for joining me. So today it's all about the script papers. So I have these available as a digital download on the website. If you don't have access to a printer or digital downloads aren't your thing, I do also have the book available for you to buy through Amazon. So I thought I would do a little flick through video for you. I'm really sorry, I'm still full of cold, so I'm coughing. So please excuse me. So what you have is you have 30 script patterned papers, and then on reverse you have a plain coordinating colour. And that's the colour of the background on this one, blues. So it really helps with colour coordination if you're using punches or dies. If you want to die cut flowers out of these, use them for matting and layering. I think this has been one of my most requested books at the minute. The download's done really well, and there's loads of people made some fabulous cards with them. Big thank you to everyone who's shared them in the group. So I just thought I would do a little flick through of the content of the book for you and show you some new cards made with the script papers that you haven't seen yet. This is a sneaky peeky. Some you'll have seen, some haven't launched yet. So I'll take you through. Anyone who follows me will have seen my posts last weekend. I don't normally make a lot of Easter cards, but I've had quite a nice big order come through. So I've been using them for these. This one was from the download set. It was printed onto photo paper, which is why it's nice and shiny. And then that's the new cross digistamp, which I've then foiled with the ink machine. And then the same with the sentiments. That's the Easter sentiment set. I've just printed that off on a laser printer and then run it through the ink machine. You can just print these off and use them black and colour them in. I have gone over with gold foil and then coloured these in with alcohol markers with my pens. And there's this one. Again, using the script papers at the back. I'm not going to say too much about this because this one's coming up. This is one of the digistamp floral designs. It's another trellis. Sorry, that one's all packed up and ready to go. And then these are some of the Easter cards that I'm sending out tomorrow, which is why I thought I would get this video done today for you. Nice timing with the book launching. So it just shows you the versatility of these script papers, and the colours really make the images, whatever I've used, colour coordinate beautiful, and it just makes the designs pop, especially when you're popping a little bit of coloured darker or lighter colour card, depending on what colour tones you're going for, or some mirror card. No, sneaky peeky. That one I've just put a tiny little dot of stickles in the centre of the hyacinth pips. It really makes them pop. I don't know whether it'll cut the show on the camera, but they are really sparkly. Sadly, the ones with all the flowers, with the foam around flowers and the clear leaves, they've all gone. They've been boxed up and shipped to the shop, so don't have those anymore. But I did find one of the fancy fold cards that I did a couple of weeks ago with a script paper, so you could see what that looks like done as panels. So thank you so much for joining me. I will pop the links in the comments for both the digital download script paper set or for the book. This is available worldwide on Amazon. I think the only place it's not available at the minute is South Africa, because their printer's retired. So I think they're trying to find a new printing partner out there. So apart from that, it's worldwide. I will pop the link to the UK shop, and I've also got, I don't know whether you've noticed, on the homepage of the website, it's got to see our latest designs. You click on that and it takes you to two options. You either have the option to look at the downloads or to have a look at the books. And there's a little tab for each country, and you can find the book so much easier through that way. So as I say, you get 30 double-sided papers, 30 script papers, and then on the other side is the beautiful colours that work with the sheets. So I hope you've liked this little video, and I hope you've liked looking at the cards. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye bye.